Do you want to know how to make a 10 by 10 dot plot on GraphPad Prism? You came to the right place. Welcome back to Bioinfo Tips. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a 10x10 dot plot in GraphPad Prism. This type of graph is perfect for visualizing aggregate data where each dot represents a defined quantity, like counts or percentages. Let's dive right in. Start by opening GraphPad Prism and creating a new project. Select New Data Table and Graph, and this time choose the grouped format for your data table. Each column will represent a different category or group for your 10x10 dot plot. For this example, let's say we're visualizing the number of survey responses across 3 categories: satisfied, neutral, and dissatisfied. Enter the group names in the row titles and the corresponding values in the column. Once your data is entered, navigate to the Graph section. Select the 10x10 dot plot option from the Column Graphs category. GraphPad will automatically convert the totals into dots, where each dot represents one unit or a defined quantity. Now let's make the graph more visually appealing. Go to Format Graph to change the dot colors for each category. You can also adjust the spacing or size of the dots to make the plot easier to interpret. If you'd like to add additional information, like category labels or percentages, use the Annotate tool to place text directly on the graph. And that's how you create a 10x10 dot plot in GraphPad Prism. These plots are a great way to represent aggregate data with a visually intuitive format. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more science software tips here on Bioinfo Tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.